Well, hello there, welcome to Matt's plot. Today we're in my back garden and it's snowing. So today's main job is getting this polytunnel back to where it is ready for a bit of sowing. We've had the chickens in here, I'll let it focus up, and they've nailed the place. We had some ex-battery hens and they were just no shape or to go outside, so they've been in here for about the last 6 weeks, 8 weeks. So we're going to give it a good clean up. You can see they've scratched away and scratched everyone up. So we're going to give it a good clean while it's snowing outside, and we'll come back to you once it's all sorted. See you all soon. Okay, welcome back guys and girls. So what have we done? So as I said in the first bit, this has had the chickens in for about 2 months and it was just rock solid, pecked up, scratched up and a bit of a mess. So I don't normally dig, but I've just aerated. I've used the little 3-prong rotavator shenanigans, that little fella, and I've gone over both beds, give them a good old rake up, then gone over with the rake just to level it all off. You won't believe just how dry these beds do get. So if you're using a polytunnel, whether it's one of these cheaper green ones that you can get off of Amazon or eBay, or a proper one, do a little bit of maintenance on it about this time of year when it's horrible outside and nothing's growing. Get out there, give it a rake over, a little bit of compost. Yeah, we got this polytunnel last year, and as you can see, the poly there and the bars just starting to get a bit of rust. They're not amazingly expensive, these. I think this is a 5 by 3 metre one, and this was like just under 100 quid. There you go, look. So you can see none of the window mesh is gone yet. But I don't think they're made to last very long, even if you look after them really well. You know, everything's got a time on it. But this will only be here for this season, then it'll move because we've got plans for this part of the garden. So as always guys, please like, comment and subscribe. If you've got a polytunnel, whether it be one of these smaller green cheaper ones or a bigger one, how do you maintain yours, how do you keep it going throughout the seasons? Please whack it in the comments down below. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.